Hey everybody, good morning, it's Robb. Actually, it's afternoon. Today we're going to be making a shrimp and ham rice. Some people call this fried rice, but it's not going anywhere near a frying pan. But it's similar ingredients you would have in a fried rice. I've never made this in the Wolfgang Puck mini rice cooker before. I got this for like $5 at the thrift store a couple weeks ago. I've been having a lot of fun with it. But I'm going to do something a little different. A lot of people, when they make their rice, I notice it's very sticky. There's nothing wrong with sticky rice, but I like my rice kind of separate. So what I'm doing is I'm using some parboiled rice. This is one of my favorite types of rice, parboiled. This rice will last like as long as white rice, but it has more nutrients than regular white rice. But also when you finish cooking, the grains are separate. They're not all clumped together real sticky. So what we're taking is a little cup that comes with the Wolfgang Puck mini rice cooker. This is a 1/2 cup or 5 grams. So if you don't have a measuring cup but you have a scale, you can measure out 5 grams of rice. Then you want to rinse it very thoroughly. I rinse it like at least 4 or 5 times. Try to get out all the sticky starch. Then, well, I just made a mistake. I should have put the ham and the other ingredients on the bottom. But I think we'll be fine. But that's how I normally make something in the cooker. So now we're going to be adding some onion, some celery, carrot, some ham, and some shrimp, along with some seasoning herbs and spices. Yeah, I normally add this stuff on the bottom. Now, if you've got time, you can put these ingredients in a frying pan and caramelize them and cook them up a little bit before you put them in the cooker and give them more of a intense flavor. You know what? Let's put in just one little spoonful just for color. I also like to add peas just for color, but I don't have any right now. Just add another spoon of now. This is 1/2 cup of water to 1/2 cup of rice. Now we're going to add, this is not necessary, it's just something I thought I would try. We're going to be adding a little, like 1/4 teaspoon of this chicken stock powder. Now, I like to add on my rice a little bit of red pepper, just a little bit to give it a zing. We don't want to heat it up. We're not trying to have a macho competition of how hot we can get something. We just want to add a little flavor. Got to add parsley because we're getting ready to add some garlic. I always like to add them together. And bloop, bloop. Just a little bit of garlic. And this is probably one of the most important ingredients, is a turmeric. We're not going to add it for flavor because who likes turmeric flavor? But we do like the color. We don't want to add a lot. That's plenty. Half of it's on my hand. We go back. Oh boy. Now, just a splash of oil. Splash of oil. This is olive oil from Walmart. It's classic. So you know what that means. It's classic. Yeah. And suspiciously yellow. So now, get that down in there. Now you could probably change this and add some tomatoes, make more like a Creole dish. I think this is going to turn out good. Can you see? Can you see down there? Okay. The longest part was just getting all the ingredients together. Now, the second longest part is finding the lid. Okay. And We'll come back when it's done. Okay, I forgot to set a timer, but I could smell something really good in the house, so I went out the kitchen, and it's on warm, so it's been over 20 minutes. It's finished cooking. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, doggies. Mm-hmm. Now, see how all of these grains of rice are separate? It's not just a big bunch of sticky rice, which there's sometimes sticky rice is good, depending on the meal and the ingredients and so on. But sometimes you like to have them separate. I think the peas would have been good to add for the color. Not a single fork in that tray. My goodness. Can we do it without bumping into the camera? Dun, 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 dun. No, no, son of a gun. Golly. Sorry for the inconvenience, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Now, this is what we got going. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. This rice is tender. It's cooked fully. Got a nice flavor. There's a shrimp. And where's some ham? Get some ham on that fork. Come on. Here we go. Shrimp and some ham and rice. Oop. You get the idea. Hmm. Not bad for frozen shrimp. Shrimp are tender, not overcooked. You might want to add some salt, but I like to add salt when I'm done. You know, you never know what it's going to taste like until the end. So why add salt until you're sure? So guys, this looks like a pretty simple, easy, quick meal. It's colorful. It's pleasant. Smells good. Looks good. I don't know. Got a winner to me. Right? Put new stuff on every week. Been doing it for 16 years. Got over 1,300 videos and a bunch of cool uh, videos in my cooking playlist and a bunch of cool people I feature down at the bottom of my channel. No relation to me. They would not anyway. You want to check them out. And go make yourself some really simple uh, shrimp and ham rice parboiled in your little mini rice cooker. All right, guys. Take care. See you out there.